The thing that I most fear is the vulnerability of sharing very personal details of my story. I think it's important to share these things because other people may have had similar experiences. I want to share that with others.
Women around the world understand that aging can be difficult, and often how they've aged does not reflect who they really are.
My name is Michelle Nelson, and I'm from Grand Junction, Colorado. I'm 55 years old.
Beauty is far more than skin deep, and often the desire for a makeover comes from the soul of the child within.
My mom and dad married relatively young for my mom, of course. 20 and 32 were their ages at the time. Just like a good Catholic family, they had me 1 year and 8 days later after their wedding. They had all 5 of us within 10 years. And with a big family, what happens is that there's chaos and a lot going on. What that can leave you is a sense of not being really seen. I was 14 years old. I went to a party and there was drinking involved, which I partook in that. At the end, someone was going to drive us home, but it ended that the person was not reliable and they sexually assaulted both my friend and I. I didn't tell anyone for years. I blamed myself, felt a lot of guilt and shame. Didn't really feel like I knew who I could trust. And fortunately, I ended up meeting this lovely guy. He was a senior and I was a junior. We ended up facing a pregnancy while we were at a Catholic high school. The community in general felt that my life was ending. You made your bed, you slept in it. Why should we trust you? You were pregnant before marriage. I had our son when I was 18 years old. An inner light told me to trust in myself, to trust in my love. We've been married for almost 36 years. We just celebrated our 35th, and I love him to pieces. Our 3 kids are grown now. We even have 4 grandkids, and we're really thankful for all of our family. I would like people to perceive me as fresh, fun, sensational, and maybe for my husband to remember how sexy I am.
The following contains material that may be disturbing to those who are triggered by discussion of physical feature flaws. Viewer discretion is advised.
If you really want to know how to always look your best, there are 6 essential elements that you must understand to do your hair and makeup and be well dressed. They are body, head, hair, face, color, and style. Body, head, hair, face, color, and style. Body, head, hair, face, colors, and style. That's right, it's body, head, hair, face, colors, and style.
Michelle sat down with Joann Hopkins, the wardrobe woman, and discovered that at 5 feet 4 inches and 137 pounds, with horizontal measurements of 37, 33, 37, gives her a rectangular or an I body. She has a medium long neck, heavy muscular arms with a proportionately large waistline. Her upper body is longer than her legs, and her head appears slightly large for her body in profile. Styles that minimize the upper body while adding fullness to her lower body, and collars and accessories that visually shorten her neck will flatter. Having thin, fine, and a weak wavy curl pattern, she will benefit with more body if it is set wet in loose pin curls and allowed to dry completely before finishing the style. She has a rectangular face, close-set asymmetrical eyes, permanent brows with a hooded lid and downturned face on her right. Her forehead is slightly receding and broad, and it will be more flattering to draw attention to the eyes than the mouth.
I'm looking and hoping to be feeling fresh, fun, sensational, and a little bit sexy when this is all through.
And now, let's do the big reveal.
This experience for me has been sparkly and fabulous. I wouldn't trade it for anything. This makes me feel better and more confident with my hairstyle. So I like that from every angle. I like it, and it's wonderful. Thank you.
Oh, you look beautiful. beautiful.
You can go in.
You can go in there. Guys.
Surprise.
Wow.
What do you think?
You look beautiful.
Thank you. Feeling on the inside and seeing on the outside explodes with what your true self is. I had a couple reservations of feeling vulnerable. I'm here for a makeover, and look at, we touched on something very deep and powerful. All of my fears went to rest immediately. Everyone is so kind, knowledgeable. I'm glad I was able to talk about it. Sparkling from the inside out, thank you. I'm going to be chiming in on the comments. Let us all know what you think. I could get a little sassy if somebody's not very nice. Please be nice.